Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We're out here in Independence. We are just finishing up a project that we started on Saturday. As you can see, this project entailed doing 2 high-strength concrete footings. They are 2x2, 3 feet deep, and what we're going to do, the customer wanted us to basically slide the existing posts down onto the new footing. So now that we've let these footings cure, we're going to come in with some temporary 6x6s and bottle jacks, slightly raise these load-bearing beams. We're going to do one at a time and just slightly raise it enough that we'll be able to just slide the post here on top of the new footing. And then we're going to finish one, move on to the next, and that should be it for this project. So for all your foundation and curing needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always call us directly at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always find all of our pictures and videos of current and past projects on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.